Are you wondering about the benefits of regular roof maintenance in Hickory, North Carolina? Regular roof maintenance is crucial for protecting your home from severe weather and extending the lifespan of your roofing materials. Regular maintenance can significantly prolong the life of your roof by addressing minor issues before they become major problems. Early detection of damage allows for timely repairs, preventing costly repairs or full roof replacements. A well-maintained roof enhances energy efficiency by improving insulation and reducing heat loss. It also improves home safety by identifying and fixing potential hazards like loose shingles and leaks. Regular maintenance maintains your home's curb appeal and can increase property value by ensuring your roof looks its best. Key maintenance tasks include routine inspections, cleaning gutters and downspouts, removing debris, repairing damages promptly, checking for proper ventilation, and trimming overhanging branches. To make roof maintenance even easier, consider enrolling in RoofWorks' roof maintenance program. This comprehensive program offers regular inspections, cleaning, and repairs to keep your roof in top condition year-round. Contact RoofWorks today to learn more and schedule your first inspection.